In this video, we're going to dive into how to connect Outgrow to Facebook ads. If you're wondering how to leverage Outgrow for your ad campaigns and maximize engagement through quizzes, calculators, and assessments, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to seamlessly integrate these tools with Facebook ads and get more targeted leads. Stay tuned because I'll also show you a simple trick to optimize your campaigns, which will help you see results much faster. Before we dive in, let me mention that you can access Outgrow completely free through the first link below with some exclusive bonuses just for you. So let's get started. First things first, what is Outgrow? Outgrow is a no-code platform that helps you create interactive content like quizzes, calculators, and assessments, perfect for generating leads and engaging your audience. It's a great way to stand out in the crowded digital space, and integrating it with Facebook ads gives you a powerful tool to drive qualified traffic directly to your landing page. Now, to connect Outgrow to Facebook ads, the first step is creating your interactive content on Outgrow's platform. Once you've created a quiz or calculator, you'll need to click on the Publish button. Outgrow gives you a URL, which is the link you will use in your Facebook ads. Next, head over to Facebook Ads Manager. When you're creating a new ad campaign, you'll choose your objective, whether it's lead generation, website traffic, or conversions, depending on your goals. Now, when you get to the section where you set your ad's destination, you'll want to paste the Outgrow URL in the website URL field. This will direct users to the interactive content you've just created. One thing to keep in mind is the importance of optimizing your landing page and ad copy. Outgrow gives you detailed analytics on user behavior, so you can tweak your content based on what's working best. The better you align your Facebook ads with the type of interaction you want, the more likely you are to convert those visitors into leads or customers. But that's not all. Outgrow allows you to capture lead information directly from your interactive content. So once users complete a quiz or assessment, their contact info can be seamlessly captured. This means you don't just generate traffic, you generate leads that you can retarget with Facebook ads or add to your email list for follow-up. To take this a step further, Outgrow also integrates with many popular CRMs and email marketing tools. So once someone completes your quiz or calculator, their details can be passed along to your marketing automation system. Here's a pro tip. Try running A/B tests using different quizzes or calculators in your Facebook ads to find out which one resonates best with your audience. Outgrow makes it easy to create variations of your interactive content, and Facebook Ads Manager offers robust A/B testing features to ensure you're optimizing every campaign. By connecting Outgrow to Facebook ads, you're essentially combining the power of interactive content with the massive reach of Facebook's platform. You can then retarget visitors who didn't convert, or use custom audiences based on user behaviors and responses to your interactive content. So whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or someone just starting, integrating Outgrow with Facebook ads is a game changer. You'll engage users in a way that regular ads can't, all while building up your lead list for future follow-up. Before I wrap up, remember, you can get access to Outgrow completely free with our exclusive extended trial via the link below. So don't miss out on that offer. If you're ready to take your Facebook ad strategy to the next level with interactive content, Outgrow is the tool to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.